Are you ready to revolutionize your culinary adventures and elevate your kitchen game? Look no further than the commercial-grade blender, specially designed to bring the prowess of a commercial kitchen right into the heart of your home. In this review, we'll explore how this powerhouse of a blender, equipped with a mighty 1,800-watt motor, unique one-touch programs, and versatile speed settings, can transform your cooking experience and deliver unparalleled texture optimization. Unleash the beast. The 1,800-watt motor, the Q is not your ordinary blender, it's a culinary powerhouse. With a commanding 1,800-watt motor, it boasts the highest possible motor rating. This extraordinary motor generates an impressive 186 miles per hour blade tip speed under load, ensuring you get quick and efficient results every time you blend. Whether you're whipping up velvety smoothies, crushing ice to perfection, or crafting gourmet soups, the Q's motor is ready to tackle any task with finesse. One touch, endless possibilities. What sets the Q apart from the rest is its unique one-touch programs. These programs are meticulously designed to optimize time and speed, resulting in the tastiest, most satisfying textures. Let's talk about the two smoothie programs, one for creating silkier dairy smoothies and the other for crafting smoother green smoothies. Say goodbye to lumpy or uneven blends. The Q ensures your smoothies are consistently perfect. If you're a fan of icy delights, the Pulse Ice Crush program transforms ice into fluffy snow, ideal for icy treats and frozen beverages. And for those craving a quick cold-to-hot soup, the Soup program delivers piping hot goodness in a flash. The Q's one-touch programs are your secret weapon for culinary success. Texture matters. Smooth, creamy, and beyond texture optimization is the name of the game with the Q. Whether you're blending up a creamy soup, a silky smoothie, or a refreshing ice-cold beverage, this blender has got you covered. It excels at creating lighter and smoother textures, elevating your culinary creations to a whole new level. Say goodbye to grainy or uneven mixtures, and say hello to perfection in every bite and sip. Easy cleaning, hassle-free maintenance. Cleaning up after culinary adventures is often a daunting task. But with the Q, it's a breeze. The 68 ounces blending jug and lid are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a quick and simple affair. No more scrubbing or soaking, just pop them in the dishwasher and you're done. The Q values your time as much as you do. Built to last, backed by confidence, investing in the Q commercial-grade blender is an investment in quality and durability. This exceptional blender is backed by a manufacturer's 7-year limited warranty, offering peace of mind and assurance of its longevity and performance. It's a blender that's built to withstand the test of time, so you can enjoy its culinary magic for years to come. Sleek and space-saving. Despite its commercial-grade power, the Q doesn't demand a lot of counter space. It measures just 8.25 inches in length, 10.5 inches in width, and 18 inches in height, ensuring it fits seamlessly into your kitchen setup without taking over precious counter space. In conclusion, the Q commercial-grade blender is your ticket to unlocking a world of culinary creativity. From silky smoothies to velvety soups, this blender is designed to deliver exceptional results. So, are you ready to take your cooking to the next level? Click the link below to make the Q commercial-grade blender a part of your kitchen arsenal. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more kitchen adventures, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest in culinary excellence. Here's to savoring every blend with the Q.